everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we are going to see how the upcoming month of May is going to be for your zodiac. And now talking about the Scorpio zodiac. So for Scorpios, this month in love, it seems like if you're single, then you are leaving the things behind that are not working in your favor. So maybe there have been some past hurt, the disappointments. This can be a month of actually moving on from the things that have been hurting you, and eventually being more optimistic about the coming future as well. So you are somewhere in the transitioning phase this month, and if you're already in a relationship, it means that there can be times when you can feel that the relationship is not providing you the fulfillment. So maybe changing your ways with how you both are dealing the matters, transitioning towards something better in your relationship is expected. It can also mean that you can willingly somewhere maintain a distance with your partner because you can feel that the other person is not understanding you. But again, with the communication, with harmony, things still can be resolved. So this can be a kind of phase where you have to understand more about your emotional depth, and then address the things that actually make you happy, and then taking steps towards that as well. And talking about your career wise, this can be a flourishing month for you. It seems like there can be you can make some advances which can give you long term benefits as well. A sense of financial stability can be strong this month. You can also feel that maybe through networking or the support that you have around when it comes to your career is going to give you great results as well. So you can feel a good establishment in your career field. You can feel stable. The finances somewhere can also be good and strong for you. It is just when it comes to the finances, when it comes to making the choices, make sure that you're gaining the knowledge as well. So if you're having some plans to invest, or if you're having building up things for your future goals, make sure that you're not just taking action, you're also gaining knowledge about it. Learning about what you're doing is very important. Gathering that information and then making your choices can eventually build long term wealth for you. So you have to be cautious. There can be unexpected changes in your finances as well. In the long term, things can still be good, but short term things can keep you on your toes, I would say. So staying vigilant, maybe if you're following some kind of market as well, stock market or something, if you're dealing with all of these situations, you have to be vigilant when it comes to taking your decision. You have to be clear about what are your goals and on what basis you can make things work better for you. So this is something that you have to be very cautious, making wise choices based on facts, based on knowledge, and then looking further for your building up things ahead. And talking about your oracle advice this month, so it is Clover, which is release your guilt. So if there have been certain things that are not making you happy, if you are still thinking that maybe you could have done that, maybe you could have done this, or if you know that you were wrong at a certain point of your life, then it seems like you have to forgive yourself and eventually release that guilt and let those emotions go. Because obviously you can make mistakes, but it is important to address them, accept them, and eventually learn from them, so you can be a better person, releasing that guilt, and doing better deeds ahead, correcting your behavior in that aspect as well. So this is something you need to take care of this month. And yes, that's it. Have a great day.